Hey everyone, welcome to robuzz. The buzz for today is the Nissan Z for 2023. It's the 7th generation of this iconic sports car, and there's 10 cool new features about it that you should know. The Nissan Z gets launch control system for the first time to avoid wheel spin and give the perfect amount of traction when accelerating from a standstill. You can either get the new Z with a redesigned 6-speed manual gearbox, or you can switch to the future with a 9-speed automatic that uses shift-by-wire technology. The new Z is digitally enhanced with a 12.3-inch digital driver display and an 8-inch touchscreen, which can be upgraded to 9 inches for infotainment in the center. Inspired by the Nissan 300ZX from the 90s, these double-layered LEDs give the car a retro look while treasuring a part of the Z's iconic history. The Z is equipped with specially designed performance seats that allow for easier movements to control things like the shifting, pedals, and steering. This safety system watches 2 cars ahead of you and gives you a warning if it detects a sudden deceleration from one of them. If you have your headlight beams on full, the car can lower the brightness if it senses a vehicle coming from the opposite direction or from over a hill. This new Z gets a twin-turbocharged 3-liter V6 that pumps out 400 horsepower, making it the most powerful Z yet. The automatic version of the Z has aluminium paddle shifters behind the wheel, but it gets even better on the performance models because that car has paddles that are styled like the GTRs. With the performance spec, the Z gets an 8-speaker Bose sound system, which has active noise cancellation and active sound enhancement. That's it for today. If you enjoyed, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to robuzz. What do you think of this new generation of the Z compared to its predecessors? Let me know in the comments. See ya!